Finally, I have a car. It's a bit small. Is it a car? Canada? Ah! No, focus. But before this, we have an appetizer or starter, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Some small things. Now these are going to be sliced. It's going to be harder than I thought. Time to bring out this. Oh, I missed. That did not work at all. Let's try this again. Oh. Now it will work. Poppets are a dead trend. Now for the big poppet. I think this will work. Oh yeah, that worked. Wow, that didn't work at all. I did. You want me to pop it? Let me do that. Wow, a hammer is surprisingly ineffective to pop it. Surprisingly. Well, I guess I'll just have to resort to scissors. The same one I used in my last video. Before you ask if I'm joking, I'm not. This is the exact same scissors I used in the last video. Perfect. Now time to cut the other half. Snip, 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 snip. Snip. Snip, snip, snip. Ah. Right, there we go. Poppets are dealt with. Dead trends stay dead. Now for the slinky. Oh, no. Now for the slinky. No ants. Be gone. No. Perfect. Let's see if the scissors can do any damage. They can. There we go. And now that the slinky is destroyed, we can get into the main course. but not yet. First, we need a disclaimer from our sponsor, the MacBack. The MacBack is the best backpack you can get from Peach. Just kidding. Apple. It's the best backpack you can get from Apple. See, there's an apple on it. That means it's from Apple. Now, back to the video. I think I'll use the scissors first. Push that down. Cut, 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 cut. That worked for longer than I actually expected it to. There. Now, anyway, on to the show. Oh, no littering. I'm a good YouTuber. Wait, no. Got it. Anyway, back to the destroying. If you're going to cook something, you need to cook it both ways, don't you? Ooh. A piece. Oh, no, you go back here. Timber. Ooh, the mechanism. Grammar. Alright then. Oh. Oops. Yeah, I didn't do any more. It doesn't have a license plate. What's this? A power card. It must have been running on 5 gigabytes. LMAO. Get back here. I say no to litter. Thank you. It's not a part of my challenge, so it doesn't really matter. Ooh. Let's see. Will it break? I need a better view for this. Much better. Ooh. It's being destroyed by a hammer. Gather all it up. You might need that later. One, two, destroy. Ooh, it's a not broken bit. I can fix that. Ooh. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2. Oh. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3. That shattered everywhere, lol. Grab some. Oh, no, not that. Ooh, I wonder what's inside the wheel. Hey, gotten. That's a... Oh, missed. Out the way. Oh. Flip it over and bash. 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 And bash. 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 And that'll do it for today's episode of I'll figure out a name later. I've got an idea. Board smashing. Oh wait. That's taken? Oh, okay. How about I'll figure out a name later. But anyway, that'll do all for today. Don't leave yet. There's still a little bit more content left.